Dear student, welcome back to Dr. Shrikant Pharmacy channel. Myself Dr. Shrikant, VL College of Pharmacy, Raichur. Please like, share, subscribe and hit the bell icon for the latest video. Today we came with another topic in the DSBM. So that is pharmaceutical management. फार्मास्यूटिकल मैनेजमेंट आज आए और एक टॉपिक DSBM ड्रग स्टोर बिजनेस मैनेजमेंट का एक टॉपिक फार्मास्यूटिकल मैनेजमेंट. So we will discuss in this class very easily and easy to understand the concept. Pharmaceutical management. What is a management? Management is nothing but process of conducting and managing the various business activities. Okay, various business conducting and managing of a business activity first thing, and this practice of management if you adapt in a pharma industry and drug stores, so that become as a pharmaceutical management. I will repeat the definition. Management is nothing but it's in a process of conducting and managing various business activities, and practice of this management in pharma industry and drug store, it is called as a pharmaceutical management. Very simple. So conducting and managing of various business activities are nothing but in pharmaceutical industry, drug stores, maybe wholesaler or retailer. If you conduct and manage in a proper way of the business activity, so that is nothing but the pharmaceutical management. So what are the major important functions to be considered to success of the pharmaceutical management? अगर कोई फार्मास्यूटिकल कंपनी अगर अच्छा नाम कमाना, अगर अच्छा डेवलपमेंट होना बोले तो क्या क्या फंक्शन हम लोग इम्पोर्टेंट कंसिडरेशन करना पड़ता है. अगर वो फंक्शंस हम लोग सही सलामत से हम किए तो हमारा जो फार्मा फील्ड रहता है ना, फार्मा बिजनेस एक्टिविटी रहता है, जैसे इंडस्ट्री रहने दो, होलसेल रहने दो, रिटेल रहने दो, अच्छी तरह से बड़प्पन आ जाता है. एंड मोर इम्पॉर्टेंटली व्हाट वी आर स्ट्रेसिंग इन दिस क्लास इज द related to the majorly the industry as well as the drug store. I am not specifying the wholesale retail, I am just giving the information to increasing the good management of the pharmacy. Let me discuss one by one the important functions which are important for the success of the pharmaceutical management. First is planning. What is this planning? Planning is nothing but systematic thinking and decide in advance. Planning is nothing but is a systematic thinking and decide in advance. What to do, when to do, where to do, how to do, that will be directly gives the success. Before, if you are not planned properly, means your program will be not success. That is the very clear word. आप कौन सा भी काम करना बोलते सही सलामत से पहला आलोचन करना, क्या क्या करना, कैसा करना, क्या नहीं करना, क्या करना, वो जानकारी लेके हम लोग अगर इंडस्ट्री में हमारा जो कदम रख दिया तो अच्छी तरह से सक्सेस होते बोल के ये बोलते हैं. सो टेक एन एग्जांपल. बिफोर स्टार्ट ऑफ एन एनी फार्मा इंडस्ट्री we should know that the selection of proper site, where to select the proper site. Say example, what are the items to be manufactured. Say example, how to get the license for conducting or running of a industry, and how the finance management has to be done. So those are called as the prior to the open of any industry, we should have the proper plan. That is why it is called as planning. Next comes the organizing. Organizing is nothing but it's under the management, means the company owner, how the provision will be giving for the employees, money, material, machines, equipment, etc. How the management will provide all facility for success of a pharmaceutical industry. So that is called as an organizing. If the employees are not there, if employees are good are there, if employees are educated are there, money is very enough is there, material is very enough is there, machines are enough are there, equipments are there, then the industry will be developed. So take an example, pharma industry. For example, we should have the properly a purchase department separately, production department, quality control, quality assurance, stores, marketing, all this the department if you segregated in a proper way with the set of rules and regulation, then you can get the industry will be developed. And allocate the each staff the particular work only. You should not make the production department only one person, purchase department also that person, QA is also that person. It is not good for the good organizing. So you should allocate the staff based on their qualification, based on the knowledge, based on the experience. If you allocate each department wise, so the success of industry will be directly with the organizing. So that is why any industry should organize in a proper manner so that you can get the upper hand. Next comes the staff. The right staff and right person, right job is very much important. For example, a qualified person is there and that person is just you are making as a home guard, then there is no use. And a person who are literally knowledge is not there, that person is you making as a manager or the department head, means there is no use of that. So that is why the staff who are appointed in the industry should have the right person and should have the right job and hard work and honest in हॉनेस्ट. मतलब क्या हो जाता है, जब भी अच्छा काम किया तो उनको अप्रिशिएट भी देना, बोनस देना, ऐसा चीज़ करे तो उनको क्या हो जाता है, स्टाफ को ज़रा इंतुजियाज्म हो जाता है कंपनी डेवलप करने के लिए. नेक्स्ट कम्स द डायरेक्शन. Here the management, any pharma management should have the motivate to the coordinators, that is the workers, sub coordinate and encouragement of the staff for the development of company. कोई अगर द फार्मा इंडस्ट्री का मैनेजमेंट जो रहता है ना, जो भी काम करने वाले रहता है ना, जैसे हायर पोस्ट रहने दो, लोअर पोस्ट रहने दो, मिडिल पोस्ट रहने दो, सबको उनको कोऑर्डिनेशन करके उनको मोटिवेट करके अगर हम लोग चले गए तो हमारा कंपनी जो रहता है बहुत अच्छी तरह से बड़प्पन आ जाता है. कोऑर्डिनेशन, गुड कोऑर्डिनेशन इज़ वेरी मच इम्पॉर्टेंट फॉर एनी टाइप ऑफ द बिजनेस. सो इफ़ यू वांट टू अचीव द रिक्वायर्ड गोल, समझ लीजिए आज ये साल का 1 करोड़ का बिजनेस है, दूसरे नेक्स्ट साल में 2 करोड़ का बिजनेस होना बोले तो प्रॉपर कोऑर्डिनेशन ज़रूरत पड़ता है. जो भी कंपनी में काम करते हैं ना, वो सभी लोगों का कोऑर्डिनेशन अगर सही सलामत रहे तो कंपनी का जो गोल रहता है ना अचीव कर सकता है. आज 1 करोड़, ये साल 1 करोड़ रहे तो अगले साल 1.5 करोड़ का या 2 करोड़ का हम लोग अचीव करने के लिए चांसेस रहता है. नेक्स्ट कम्स द कंट्रोलिंग. See, every industry should have the aims and objective, and you should prepare well in advance, and you should maintain how the aims and objectives you are achieving in the process during the year or after the completion of that year. So whatever the objectives are there, that should be achieved by the particular company. So if they are not achieved, means the succeeding of this pharma management will be lower. So that is the reason why always you to check the documentation, check the department wise, is there any the ups and downs are there, you to be rectified, and thereby what happen, you will get the success of your company. So that is why steps taken to check, and whatever the pre-planned the goals are there, that will be compared within the present result. Next comes the communication. This is very much important of any criteria of the business, and particularly in pharma industrial management, it is very important, because many people have the good knowledge, good ideas, good fact, that opinions has to be considered for during the development of our company. So that is why it is called an exchange of facts, ideas and opinions of all employees and all well-wishers, so that your company will become the good successful. Decision making. Next one, what is this decision making? Right decision at the right time is always the success of any type of a business. So take an example, the present trend is COVID is there, COVID situation is there. In this situation, the manufacturer, all the pharma manufacturer is focusing on the like a vaccines or the medicines which are used for the treating the COVID. So that is called as the decision, means the company, if you producing other medicines, means may not use much, but the requirement what is there in the present scenario, based on that you are focusing on the product, so that will be helpful. Okay, so company having the both thing, vaccine production as well as the other production. If the company is focusing on more on towards the vaccine for the COVID, so that will be the more successful. That is why it is called as which product has to be taken first and which product has to be taken second for the production. So that is called as a right decision at the right time. And next one, innovation. Every pharmaceutical industry should provide the management a good research and development, good innovation of the product. Then only you will get the come to the present scenario, what the scenario is a requirement of the patients or the public. So that is why every pharmaceutical management should focus on the more priority for the innovation, the expenses reducing with a some small investment, more profit. These are the innovation should be there for the every persons, and make the different seminars and different symposiums or the conferences, so that you will come to know the what is the present scenario, what is the globe scenario. You can develop your the research and you can use the product for the easily available to the market. So these are the most important the different functions which are comes for the successful of the pharmaceutical management. So I am repeating in Hindi. So simply, what is the management? Management nothing but conducting and managing of various business activities, and this type of the business controlling and conducting and managing, if you adapt in the pharma field, that is called as a pharmaceutical management. So the pharmaceutical management are the different functions like planning, organizing, staff, direction, coordination, कंट्रोलिंग, कम्युनिकेशन, डिसीजन मेकिंग, इनोवेशन, ये सारे चीज़ों को हम लोग सही सलामत से स्ट्रेस किया तो, अडेप्ट किया तो हमारा जो कंपनी रहता है अच्छा डेवलपमेंट हो जाता, और मैनेजमेंट जो भी हमको देता है ना, सैलरीज वाइज, बेनिफिट वाइज, बोनस वाइज भी बढ़ जाता है, एंड वी कैन सेटिस्फाई द और कस्टमर्स वेरी ईजिली. सो थैंक यू वेरी मच वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो. विल कंटिन्यू विथ द नेक्स्ट टॉपिक विथ इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो.